Number 18. Number 18 starts in this sentence here, and it ends all the way over here. So let's read it together. The Crying of Lot 49, a 50,000 word book that Pynchon refers to as a short story, can be read as an allegory for the physics concept of thermodynamic entropy. Okay, so there's something weird going on over here. There's a comma, and then we got some other stuff going on here. And I noticed that there's also a M dash right here. So this little M dash right here, we are starting the M dash, but we're not closing it off in any way. So we can close an so if we start with an M dash, we can close it with an M dash, or if we start an M dash, we can close it off with a period. But if we close it off with a period, anything that comes before it should make sense perfectly fine. In this case, we can't close it with a period, because if we closed it off with the period that's at the end of this sentence here, then that would mean that the only sentence, or the only part of the sentence that is by itself is this, the Crying of Lot 49, and that would make it a fragment. So it's not correct as it is. Let's see if we can, no, we would need, actually, we definitely need an M dash to close this off, because otherwise this right here would stand all by itself and it would not make any sense. So the only answer that realistically makes sense is answer choice C. C is our correct answer, but let's make sure it is actually correct. So let's put that in and see what happens. The Crying of Lot 49, a 50,000 word book that Pynchon refers to as a short story, and we put an M dash here, can be read as an allegory for the physics concept of thermodynamic entropy. Now, this would make sense, because if there was an M dash here, we could actually cancel out this portion of the sentence right here, which would go inside the M dash, and we can read the rest of the sentence without any issues. The Crying of Lot 49 can be read as an allegory for the physics concept of thermodynamic entropy. Yeah, that makes perfect sense, right? That checks out. So C is our correct answer. It could not be D, because we would, again, keep this right here as a fragment. This portion right here, Crying of Lot 49, would just be a fragment. So D is incorrect, and B would be incorrect because it doesn't give us anything that would allow us to complete that particular fragment. So the correct answer is C.